Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm Sharon, and through my DMs in Instagram and through the comment box I'm getting many questions like which is the best cone to choose and what are the rate, consistency and all, and this video is the answer for all those questions. And in this video I'm going to show the specific consistency, the stains and all about all the cones. So stay tuned and watch my full video, and also please subscribe to my channel and please click the bell button below. And this video is mostly meant for the Indian audience and others can correlate it also. The first cone is the bigb cone. This cone comes in the category of instant cone, and dirham cone, doha cone and red chili cone also belongs to this category. And this cone gives color or bright red color stain after just 5 minutes of its application. So Indian brides recommend it very much, and the cost of this cone is just rupees 20, but by scoring for the stain I give 5 out of 5, but for the protection of the skin I just give only 0 out of 5. Second cone is called the Singh cones. It is the most popular cone available in the Indian stores, and it is not an instant cone but it contains preservatives, so it can be stored for 6 months after the making of this cone. And it just has 10 rupees as its price, and it has very nice consistency, and it contains ingredients which is written in the covering of this cone. But coming to the stain, I give 4 out of 5, and for the protection of her skin, I can only give 2 out of 5 because of the preservatives. Third one is an organic homemade cone. These cones are really gaining popularity nowadays because these cones are mostly made in the home of the henna artist, and this can be bought by the Instagram pages of many henna artists, and it undergoes processing without any chemicals or preservatives, so it should be stored in the freezer, and it gives a very nice stain, and it is very good for your skin because they use oils like eucalyptus, tea tree and lavender oils, which is very good for the pregnant ladies and children. So I give 5 out of 5 for its stain and 5 out of 5 for the protection of her skin, and I recommend this cones very much. The next one is Golechacones, and it is sold through Flipkart, Amazon, etc. And if you are interested in trying out more colors rather than just brown like white, gold, black and all, then these cones are available in a wide variety of colors, so try it out. Now we are together gonna check out the consistency of the cones, and this is big cones, and you can see this is stringy cone. We are getting a long stringiness with this cone, but it is really a gel kind of material, and it is really hard to draw with this because if you are not experienced much, then all the thing will smudge together into one. The next one is Singh cone, and see this is having a really good stringiness, and but all the singons doesn't have, maybe one or two from the packet will be not good ones, but this one is really having a stringy nature, and it is really good for drawing, but it is really hard to make two toning and shading with this, but it is very good for drawing face portraits, sceneries and all. The next cone we are going to try out is our organic cone, and let's look how it's going to work. And see, it is also having amazing stringy nature, and we can just extend it out like this. So this organic cones vary its texture according to the one who make it. Now we are going to look at the stain test. First I made a box with our big cone. Next I'm going to do that with the Singh cone, and last I'm going to do using the organic cones. And let's find out how the stain come. I'm going to keep only for 2 minutes, but we have to keep the two cones for at least many hours, but I just kept for 2 minutes, and this is the 2 minute stain of bigb cone. It is really red, but coming to the Singh, we have to keep for 2 to 3 hours, so we didn't get much stain but an orange stain. And the organic cone should be kept for at least 8 hours for a good stain. And this is water test. You can see from this, when we look into the sunlight, the Singh cone and the bigb cone is having a smudge around or a light highlighted color around the base. This shows that this has high water content and it is not a good sign. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please comment in the comment box what you think of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.